dumb bunny.
Let me take her to the back. She wanna look at me. Yeah, shot 223.
Judy Hop, CPD.
Baby, let's turn up in this party. What's a wedding ring? I said,
first off, you throw it down. Second, you're very sorry. See you later, officer. So sad this is over. I wish I could have helped more.
Always been too scared and unprepared to let anybody get too close to me. When I met you right away, I knew you would never, ever hurt me.
Okay. Good go. Well, it's my word against yours.
$200 a day, Fluff. 365 days a year since I was 12.
Actually, it's your word against yours. And if you want this pen, you're going to help me find this poor missing otter, or the only place you'll be selling popsicles is the prison cafeteria. It's called a hustle, sweetheart.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Making a difference.
Wait a second. Holy cripes, Bonnie, look at that.
Oh, my sweet heaven. Judy, are you a meter maid?
Oh, no, this is just a temporary thing.
Oh, it's the safest job on the force.
Oh, she's not a real cop. Our prayers have been answered.
Alexander,
I have to leave.
Alexander,
Look around at how lucky we are to be alive right now. They are asking me to leave.
look around. Isn't this enough? We will never be satisfied. We will never be satisfied.
scared now? Look at her nose twitch. She is scared. Cry, little baby bunny. Cry, cry. You don't know when to quit, do you? I want you to remember this moment. The next time you think you will ever be anything more than just a stupid carrot farming dumb bunny.
There's never been a bunny, Tom.
No,
Bunnies don't do that.
never.
Never.
Then I guess I'll have to be the first one. I'm gonna make the world a better place.
Why, Fox? Dumb bunny.
I'm not a dumb bunny. I really am just...
What happened to your good sense? I broke down that man's good. I bet he works for the government. Did you hear about that mother broke her daughter's legs in two and said it's too dangerous out there to walk, so hard to save you. I take it
I do try too hard because deep down I'm afraid that I am what everyone thinks I am, and I suppress my discomfort because I'm worried it makes me look weak, and I want to be strong, and I think I'm failing all the time, and I only take what you say personally because you're the only one in my life who ever believes in me, even when I don't even believe in myself. And I should have told you that.
This need to overdo it made both of you a headline today.
The world will never ever be a better place if no one is brave enough to do the right thing.
The world is what it is, Carrot, and sometimes being a hero, it just doesn't make a difference.
I do try too hard because deep down I'm afraid that I am what everyone thinks I am, and I suppress my discomfort because I'm worried it makes me look weak, and I want to be strong, and I think I'm failing all the time, and I only take what you say personally because you're the only one in my life who ever believes in me, even when I don't even believe in myself. And I should have told you that. No one else in the world matters to me.